This tutorial is designed to be quick and easy, ensuring you can integrate your chatbot with Facebook without any hassle. Let's dive in. First, let's start by logging in or signing up to the ChatBot World platform. Click Create New Bot. Choose Facebook Chatbot. Log in to Facebook. Select the page or pages you wish to connect to the chatbot. Click Continue. Review the permissions ChatBot World is requesting. Click Save. You will be automatically redirected back to the platform. Click Connect Facebook Bot. Congratulations! You connected your chatbot to your Facebook page.